Hi, I'm Paul Kelly, head nerd here at Enable. The patch compliance dashboard available in Analytics in N-Central has the option to either include or exclude patches based on whether they're superseded or not. Now, while you might want the dashboard to display patches that have been superseded that have already been installed, you might not want to include pending superseded patches as they're not going to be installed. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom dashboard to do just that. First of all, we are in our patch compliance dashboard, and this is a default dashboard that is available for you out of the box. And right now I can choose to include superseded patches, and I'll see the numbers jump from 300 plus to 7,000 to indicate the amount of installed superseded patches that have been there. But I can also see the pending patch numbers jumped as well. So what we want to be able to do here is actually create a custom dashboard that shows us all the installed patches while the pending patches exclude any superseded patches as well. So we're going to go ahead and click on copy and edit. This allows us to create our own custom dashboard. So we'll go ahead and give this a name. So we'll call it patch compliance, excluding pending superseded patches. And we'll go ahead and create that. And this is going to bring us into the edit mode so we can configure the dashboard. And you can do this for any of the dashboards that are available within your analytics environment as well. So you can tailor them to your own needs. So we are now in the editor, and what we're going to do is expand our filters here. We can see at the moment the installed is at 334 and the pending is at 23. When we click on include superseded in this view, we can see the installed is at 7,184 and the pending rises to 47. So it's an increase of 24 patches that are not going to be installed. So we're going to remove them from the report. So under our data column, we're going to choose our is superseded pending data set. We're going to bring that across to the filters on the page. We're going to drop that in here. And what we're going to do is we're going to set this to false. Now, when we do this in our view, you'll see that the installed remains at 7,184, but the pending returns to 23, which was what it was before we clicked on the include superseded patches as well. So once we're happy that this is configured correctly, we're going to go ahead and save this, and we can exit our edit mode, and we now have our patch compliance dashboard that shows us all the patches that have been installed, including superseded patches, but removes any pending patches that have also been superseded as well. When we go back to our dashboard homepage, we can see we also have our reports available to us here as well. So that's how you create a custom dashboard in N-Central to include patches that have been superseded yet installed in your end users' devices, but exclude any superseded patches that might be pending installation within your environment as well. I hope you found this video useful, and we'll see you on the next one.